In this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can compress our large PDF files into small size. So first things first, head over to pdfgear.com and download this great tool here. After downloading and installing, you see this. Notice that installation is complete. You are all set to enjoy PDF Gear. Open the software and you'll see these tools under host tools. Click on compress to PDF. So I already have a file that's large, that's 8.51. So, so we are going to select our compression level. I'm going to select high and I'm going to upload this file here. So we can see that the file is loaded and I'm going to click on compress to compress the file. You can see that the compression is successful. It reduced the file from 8 uh, 8 mega 8 megabytes to 5 megabytes. So that's a compression rate of by 3 megabytes. So this is cool. You can test this out and let me know what you think about it.